Nice fake review. Ha ha. They changed WGM look because it looks fake to me. That's a fake Bape hoodie. Look at the letters, especially the M. Whoever sold you this sold you a fake hoodie, yo. Is that so? Hey everybody, I am Actorus, and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars and sneakers. And today, we're gonna do a little spin-off with my Bape jacket. It's been almost a whole year since I released that awesome Bape shark hoodie jacket that got over 30,000 views on YouTube. It is definitely my most successful video and the one I'm probably most proud of. Even though this is a channel about cars and sneakers, it looks like people like just Bape jackets more. Or maybe it's just the YouTube algorithm messing with me, which is why you guys should like and share on this video. It's the only way you can really help out make these videos blow up. Anyways, from time to time, I always got comments saying that this jacket is fake, and this video, I want to see if they're true or not. So basically, I'm just going to be going on websites comparing real versus fake jackets, and see if my jacket is legit. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to go check out on this jacket is the back tag near the neck. What we want to be looking at here is the spacing on the letterings on a bathing ape. Each one should be appropriately spaced out. A big common mistake is the T and the H being too close together. A little hard to see on camera, but there is a little white slit, so that looks like it checks out. Another thing is the spacing on the sizing. It should be dead center in the middle, which it is. And then check out the R near the Vapehead. It should not be spaced out too far from the Vapehead, which it isn't. And then on the bottom tag where it says World Gone Mad, it should not be too thin. It should be properly thick, which it is. Alright, so far so good. Next, we're gonna check the material tags on the hoodie. This is what mine looks like, and here's the photo of real versus fake, so you guys know what I'm referencing. One of the biggest mistakes that they do is it looks like it's barely stitched on. That's on the fake ones. The real ones, it's just a little clutter of stitches on top, which mine has. Another good indication is how faded the texts are. Fake ones look really faded. The real ones look really bold. Next, you want to check out the spacing on the letterings. A common mistake is on the LDT right there. They look like they're all bunched together on fake ones, but on the real ones, they're a little spaced out, which mine is spaced out. So I would say that this material tag does check out, so far so good again. And then we're gonna check out this little golden Bape head right here. Once again, here's the photo of the real versus fake I'm looking off. And now here is mine. So fake ones, a common mistake is the R is too far from the Bape head. Mine looks like it's appropriately so. And also fake ones are placed too far from the bottom. They should be right near the bottom, which mine is. So once again, that checks out. And just a friendly reminder, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, please like and share for that YouTube algorithm. And last but certainly not least, subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's move on to the zippers of the jacket. Once again, here's the photo of what I'm looking off. The first thing you want to look at is of course the shape. They should connect pretty much flush, one's not overlapping another one. Then also towards the bottom you should see a bunch of letters that say YKK, which mine do. And then on the top, it's really hard to see on this camera, but there should be a number 5. Really hard to see, but it's there. Then on the front of the zipper, once again, this is how the shape should look like. Then each side on the little tag portion of the zipper should say Bape, which mine do. So the zipper also checks out. Alright, now comes more of the tricky part. We're going to be looking at the WGM on the Bape hoodie. First, we're going to check out is like the quality materials used on it. Normally, fake ones were used to the wrong type of fabric, and it would just look really uneven. So here's the photo I am looking at. So first glance, the W looks centered and on point. So does the G, and so does the M. And the materials used is the same exact on the real ones. Common mistakes on fake ones are below here where the M looks a little off bordered, which is fine. The top here where the G is looks a little off bordered, which mine is not. And then the top portion of the M right here will look off center on the border, which mine does not. Pretty hard to tell in these because let's face it, Bape did not use the best quality for the stitching and fabrics on this, but little minor details will give it away. And as far as I can tell, everything is centered correctly and cut right. Alright, so far all the evidence being shown looks like it's pointing towards this jacket being real. And I would just call it there, but just for fun, let's go ahead and check out the face of the jacket. The big googly-eyed shark. Alright, once again, here is the photo I am looking off of. Alright, so big giveaways is of course the spacing in the eyes. They should be about an inch away from the zipper. And then on the mouth there should be a little sliver coming away from the zipper. Then making sure that the teeth run all the way down to the bottom. There's no cutoffs, which mine do. And then make sure you check up on the eyes. Make sure they are the correct size, which mine appear to be. And yeah, that really all is to it on identifying this jacket. So the final conclusion? Well, this should be real. But of course there might be a couple comments below saying, man, that's still a fake jacket. Oh wait, there's something right there. Oh, it's fake. The reality is that some people will always call out your stuff for being fake, whether it is or isn't. So be sure to always accept that whenever you're buying high quality stuff and expensive things, because people, well, they get jealous. I'm trying to stay humble, not to sound cocky, but that's just how it is. But never worry what people say. You just go ahead, buy whatever you like, and just be awesome. And that about wraps up this video. So is my Bape hoodie fake? Comment down below your opinion. Like and share if you enjoyed this video. And last, but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.